It is a review of the Asus TUF A15. Asus TUF A15 is a brilliant gaming laptop that strikes a great balance between performance and price. Especially among competitive esports players, its strong 1080p performance, sturdy build quality, and lots of ports are going to win it a lot of fandom. Asus's new TUF A15, also known as the Asus F5064, stands out for its solid performance, with the RTX 2060 GPU and AMD Ryzen 4000 mobile processor that we were impressed by in a gaming laptop with a price tag that keeps up with the quality of performance. The Asus TUF A15 is a gaming laptop that's affordable, so it's not cheap as budget laptops, but it's not outrageously expensive like high-end gaming laptops. The Asus TUF A15 starts at $1,300, £1,300 around $2,000, which isn't exactly affordable when it comes to gaming laptops. Even though it's expensive, it's better value for money than some gaming laptops, like the Alienware M15. Asus TUF A15 gaming laptop is a huge, chunky beast compared to its Zephyrus range, but that's part of the appeal. The Asus TUF A15 places build quality and durability at the center of its design. You can't drop this laptop from a height and not worry about it, but you can take it with you to friends' houses and LAN parties. You wouldn't be afraid of taking the Asus TUF A15 out of the house like you would some ultra-thin, light gaming laptops. The Asus TUF A15 certainly doesn't hide its gaming credentials, but it's not too overboard either, and if you want to give it some more gamer cred, it comes with a sheet of stickers to wrap around it. We got a review model in Fortress Gray and a Bonfire Black chassis. There are even more gaming-friendly design choices when you open the laptop. The RGB lighting is almost obligatory, and the WASD keys are highlighted with translucent color, making this a laptop for gamers. Besides being stylish, it's also functional. This laptop has extra protection from knocks and bumps, a honeycomb design on the underside, which keeps it from sliding around, and cooling vents inside the honeycomb structure. Asus crammed a lot of ports into the chunky design, with an Ethernet port, HDMI, 2 standard USB ports, and a USB-C port on the left-hand side, along with a power supply port, while on the right there are 2 more standard USBs. Its screen is a nice, large 15.6-inch 1080p screen with 144Hz refresh rate, so it's good for gaming. Also available is a 60Hz version. The Asus TUF A15 has the AMD Ryzen 7 4800H processor. The Asus TUF A15 isn't quite AMD's top mobile processor, that'll be the Ryzen 9 4900HS, but it isn't meant to be a flagship laptop either. It's supposed to be a mix of performance and value, so we like the 4800H choice by Asus. The GPU is an NVIDIA RTX 2060. This GPU isn't a flagship, but it's a great 1080p performer, so it's the perfect choice for this kind of gaming laptop. NVIDIA's less expensive GPU but still offers excellent performance, including ray tracing, and with 6GB of GDDR6 memory, this is a good choice for laptops with tight budgets. According to our benchmark results, Metro Exodus runs at 45 frames per second at Ultra. If you tweak it a bit, you can get it to play at over 60 FPS. This isn't the most powerful gaming laptop, but at a price much more affordable than high-end gaming laptops, it offers solid performance for modern games. We like it. The only thing that annoyed us was how loud the laptop was when playing games. I don't know what kind of fan it has, but it's loud. Asus's TUF A15 is particularly distracting with its loud fans, they've got to keep cool somehow. When it comes to battery life, we never expect too much from gaming laptops, but the Asus TUF A15 does okay with the PC Mark 10 battery test, which mimics moderate usage, draining the battery in 5.25 hours. This is pretty good for a gaming laptop, thanks to the AMD Ryzen 7 4800H, which is less power hungry than an Intel CPU and doesn't drain the battery as fast. This laptop has a big 90 watt-hours battery, so it's a lot bigger than you'd find in a gaming laptop, and it's not much bigger than the maximum size you can carry on a plane. This may explain its outstanding performance in our looped 1080p video benchmark, which lasted 11 hours, 44 minutes. The fact that the TUF A15 lasted so long while playing a looped video is really impressive. Depending on the game you're playing, the uptime drops to around 2 hours. You can still get through a short train trip on that, but, as with other gaming laptops, you'll need to charge it.